Dan Kidder with Sportsman's News Television at Sportsman's Warehouse. I'm here with a real, true American hero today, a hell of a guy, and he's got a movie coming out today. I'm here with one of the heroes of Benghazi, Kris Paranto, Tanto, and he's going to tell us a little bit about this movie and what's going on and what's happening here today.
It's actually a docuseries, so it's more of a documentary. And it's something that you would normally see like on American Heroes Channel, or which formerly is the American Military Channel, or Discovery, but it's about a Gold Star family member, the Doltz family, Gold Star family, their son, Sergeant Ryan Doltz, who passed away in the global war on terror, and it really looks at them and how they've overcome his death and how they've turned that negative into a positive. There's a lot of movies and there's a lot of documentaries out there about guys that have died and their stories, but nobody really has looked at the families. And that's where this gets into. It gets in and talks to the Doltz family, and it shows that they have to overcome adversity because even though they've lost a loved one, they have to live with that for however long their lives are, and it can be tough. I've lost friends in combat, and I live with that every day. I can't imagine, because I've never lost a family member in combat, how hard that has to be, and that's what it's supposed to be. And hopefully it gets picked up, and we do more War Hero series on different family members who should be honored, because Gold Star family members, they sacrifice just as much as those guys that go down range.
Thank you, Kris. We appreciate
Definitely,
it.
Dan.
We're looking forward to seeing the film.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you so much.